What retiring at 70 really feels like and how I got out. Woo! Retirement isn't what they promised. I had to face the truth at 70. At 70 years of age, I should have been slowing down. Instead, I was still working just to survive, to make ends meet. The dream of rest, travel, peace, it felt like a cruel joke. I wasn't lazy. I wasn't irresponsible. I just didn't have the tools they need and never taught us to build real freedom in your life. But I found them. I have tools to expedite everything for me, and I share now with others what I am using. I found a proven system that offers a step-by-step guide, done-for-you system. Just plug in, connect the dots, and support if needed. Tech and training, all are included. 100% profit with no monthly expenses or overhead ever. Your own online storefront, but you're not alone. Over 54,000 like-minded members, all on the same journey. No up or down lines, no recruiting or bothering anyone ever. Learn how to build your business with attraction marketing. 24/7, fully automated with a global reach. And now I teach others because it's not too late. You don't have to figure it out alone. I am certified to mentor and help others build and grow too now. If you're 50s, 60s, 70s and up, it's not over. There's a better way. Build your supplemental income. It's beginner friendly for anyone at any age. Comment info or visit my site to find your freedom path and get my toolkit as a bonus. Remember to come back and check as I respond to all comments every time.